Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a DIY ID photo using your mobile phone. But first, we need to install these three mobile apps, namely Remini, FaceApp, and PicsArt. So let's get started. The first app that we will be using is the PicsArt. So open your PicsArt app, click the plus sign to add a photo from your gallery. Make sure that your photo is available on your gallery so that we can easily add it on your PicsArt. Select the photo that you want to edit and wait for it to be imported. By this time, the photo has been successfully imported, so next, swipe these options below and select Cutout. By using Cutout, we will be able to remove the background of our photo. Now select Person. Once it looks like this, click the check sign in the upper right corner of your screen, and now the background has been removed. The next thing we need to do is to have a plain or white background, so swipe options to select Fit. As you can see, we already have a white background. You can also adjust your photo according to your liking. Click Check to save. Next, choose Sticker option. Type Women Formal Attire in the search bar, then choose a sticker that you like. So I'm choosing this one. Adjust the sizing of the sticker to fit on your neck and shoulder area. Once you are satisfied, you can now click the arrow button in the upper right corner of your screen to save. Now, in the options section, select Tools and crop the photo like this one. Click Check to save, and now click this button to download the output. Now let's open the Face app. We will be using this to add hairstyle filter. We will now select the photo that we edited from PicsArt. Click Hairstyles and choose Long for long hair. And now we have this cutie simple hairstyle. Take note that we do not have to select save, but instead screenshot this one and crop it out to avoid the watermark from the app. Don't worry, the next step will make your photo more clear, high quality, and enhanced. But before that, we will going to open our gallery first and make sure to crop our photo into a square size. It should be 1x1 or 2x2 photo dimension. Since it's ready, we'll now open the third and last app, which is the Remini. And now, we will select the cropped photo from our gallery. Click Watch an Ad Enhance and wait for the ad to end. And now, here's the enhanced photo. The quality is so nice, the colors are more vibrant. It's time to save now. We'll just click the download button and save. And here's the result, guys. Thank you so much for watching.